Shortly after the Black Friday sale at Costco, little Jimmy ran home with his loot in hand.
Oh boy, I can't wait to play my collector's edition of Doom on the computer device! Floppy disk, where the heck does this go? Oh no!
Looks like little Timmy will have to resort to more archaic forms of media interface. However, little Jimmy's spicy new PC had no floppy drive, so he has to install one himself. He starts by unscrewing the hand screws at the back of the panel and removing the side panel.
So I just put this on its side, right?
That's right, son. Great job, my boy. Now you just have to find the cables to the floppy drive. Now you just have to pry up the front panel and fit the drive in.
Got it! Wowie zowie, that was a tough one!
Yes sirree, now you're almost done. Just put everything back in place and we're fit as a fiddle.
PSATA is the noodly rainbow cable. And this one's the Neato Begito berg cable, right? Oh boy, I can't wait! Wowzers, this is all I've ever wanted, and more!